So we have completed the first floor areas. We're now looking ahead to the second floor areas, and they are very similar. So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to prepare for these next three rooms by making a copy of them. We're going to mark them in a way that there's no confusion that they're not ready yet. They're just copies. And we're going to go ahead and set up our paper space and viewports for these areas. And that's all we're doing for this section. So first thing I'm going to do is copy everything. I'm going to copy all the work for all the rooms, including the title blocks. So I'm going to right click Y. I'm using ortho to keep everything nice and aligned. Hit escape when I'm done. Now, there's my copy. I'm going to do lines. Do lines. I'm going to X out the work temporarily. I could even just copy that over. That way there's no confusion. That's my copies. It's also, you're going to see in just a moment, it's going to help me when I do my viewports. So now I want to create new layout. So I'm going to come down to my paper space tabs. Here's the first room. Here's the next two rooms. So what I want to do is I want to select both of these layout tabs and I want to make copies of them. So this works with 2 layout tabs or 20. I'm going to choose one and I'm going to choose shift and choose the last one. If there were 10 of these, I would choose one and then I would choose 10. It'd be like over here. And it would select from 1 to 10 and all the tabs in between. So I'm going to right click, choose move or copy. I'm going to check the create a copy box and highlight move to end. Click OK. Now you can see I've got 2 new layout tabs. So I'm going to rename them by hovering over them, right click, choose rename. That's page 3, rename, that's page 4. Now, I click on 3. I'm going to do a process of double clicking in and double clicking out. So I'm going to double click in, I'm going to use pan, I'm going to pan down to the title block just below. Click out, zoom in, click in, get a little closer, click out, done. Okay, so it's like double click in, double click out. Let's try it again on page 4. So I'm double clicking in, I'm going to pan to the new area, double click out, zoom in a little bit, double click in, pan, get a little tighter, double click out. Now it's important if I click in here that this stays at 1/2 inch scale. That's my viewport scale here. We're not really getting into viewports because we're not changing viewports, but if I accidentally zoom out, see that's wrong now. I can hit Control Z to get back to where I was. Click in, make sure it's still a half inch scale, and we're good. Just double check. Page 3, page 4. All right, moving on.